Hello and welcome. Let's see the steps of removing acrylic nails. What do we need? Nail clips, but they are not mandatory. Acetone, 99%. Cuticle oil, aluminium foil, a cotton swab. It's enough for 10 nails. Buffer, a nail file, and a little nail brush. And also a nail clipper and the cuticle orange wood stick. I already did my thumb to show you how it will look at the end. So the first step is removing the length of your nails, but do it carefully please so you don't hurt your hyponychium, which is the skin underneath your nail. Pay very much attention and do it slowly, there is no rush here. Now we will etch the nail file. That is, we will be removing the sharp edges in order not to cut our skin. This is super important. So the second step is to file the acrylic. Our goal is to thin out the acrylic as much as possible without damaging our natural nail. So please be very careful and try to move slowly, not as I'm showing here in the video. My video is sped up in order to move faster and not bore you. So pay attention and please take your time. As we are doing this, we are also breaking the seal of the top coat, which will help us later on. This is very important, as I told you before. And now I would like to mention a few things about the acetone. Please make sure you have 99% acetone on 100% acetone, because unless you do, it will not penetrate well the acrylic, so we will not have the result we are looking for. Now we are taking cotton swab with acetone and wrapping around super carefully, sealing all the edges. I will apply nail clips on these two fingers, so you can do it at home as you please or with the materials that you have. After we finish wrapping all the fingers, we will wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we wait, for me 20 minutes, for you a few seconds. And I'm back. 20 minutes have passed and let's see what we got. It is super important to remember to always remove one foil at a time, to not have the acrylic dry out again. Now I'm removing the soft acrylic, but please do it slowly. My video is sped up, but for you at home it's very important to do it carefully and slowly to not damage your nail plate. We have to keep this in mind at all times. And now we remove the acrylic. As you can see, so much is coming off. It's softened already. Now we check if we have any acrylic left. If we do, we will wrap it again and wait for 10 more minutes. I prefer to do it this way than to wait 30 minutes in the beginning, because using this method I can remove the acrylic easier. And you also have to keep in mind that the acetone you're using is having a great impact in our result. It really needs to have no oils or any other ingredients. Now, after wrapping each finger, as I said, we will wait 10 minutes more. And then check the nails again. 10 minutes have passed. Let's see how much acrylic we had left. Oh, super, there was some. Yep. Each finger one by one. Try to remove the rest of the acrylic. And then if you're happy with the result, we can move on. Brush the dust off. Now remove the edges of your buffer too. And you will begin to file your nails carefully, not as I'm doing here. As I told you, my video is sped up. I'm not trying to bore you. Okay, so So each finger one by one, trying to remove if there is any bit of acrylic left. Our last step is applying cuticle oil, or if you want you can apply olive oil too. Thank you so much for doing this with me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Bye!